Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. I am currently filming a video of a raffia bag and it is made on a big frame. This is the type of frame that I am using for my bag, which is quite big. The thing is that I am going to write the pattern, I am going to film the tutorial, and everything it is going to be calculated for the size of this frame. But maybe some of you do not want to have such a big bag. You maybe want to have a smaller one, which are very fashion right now as well. So I thought I'm going to take the time in this video to show you how you can actually transfer the pattern from this big frame to maybe a smaller frame. As you can see, this is quite small comparing to the other one. So today I do want to walk you through a little bit on how I would go by on having a video tutorial or a written pattern from this frame to this frame. Once you see how I actually go by, you can actually make your own handbag and your own patterns. So this will be, I hope, very helpful for a lot of you that maybe you cannot buy the same big frame that I have, and maybe you just want a small frame bag. So let me just jump into it and I will show you step by step how I would go by and how I would crochet for this frame. So the pattern that I am working, it actually requires only the half of the frame. So this is the length for the pattern because it will just be folded. So anyway, I'm going to actually count from here until here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to start crocheting a chain stitch long enough to cover from this part over here until this part over here. If it is a little bit shorter, that is fine, because when we start actually building up the rows, it will be actually, it will open up a little. So let's start crocheting an amount of chain stitches that it will arrive maybe up to here. I will leave it like half a centimeter here without crocheting. Okay, so here we are. I did crochet a certain amount of chains. It's like this long. Now, what I'm gonna do to actually check if this is the right amount of chain stitches, I'm gonna do this. I will place this last stitch, this one, I will place it right here at the edge. So the first stitch, it is going to be right here. Where is the beginning? Then I will just gently with the hands, I will go around like this, place the chain stitch, leave this one here, and then put my fingers over here and move on. Move on. Leave this one, grab it here, then continue. This is the line, so don't mix it. So I will continue all around. This edge is also a little bit tricky. And here it is. My last chain stitch, it is half of a centimeter away from this one. This is my last stitch. So I think it's fine. I'm not going to crochet, even though it is half of a centimeter away. I think it's fine because once I will crochet the stitches, which is half double crochet for this handbag, I'm doing half double crochet, the work will open up a little bit. So now I am going to continue 2 rows with half double crochet, because once I do the 2 rows, the stitches will be opened up enough that will actually be the right amount. So I will do 2 rows with half double crochet. After 2 rows, I will check out again if the quantity of stitches that I started with, it is the right one. Okay, you guys, here we are. I did finish 2 rows with half double crochet, and now I'm just going to do the same thing what I did with the chain stitches, and I will just go around and see if it fits. And you can see that actually it fits to the end here. So this is the right amount of chain stitches, and I would continue to do the pattern of this bag, same as I'm going to show you the pattern of this Bottega Veneta clutch bag. So if you want to adapt that bag but for a smaller clutch, then you can just use this way, and then you can just make it in a smaller version. Okay guys, so this is today's video. I hope this video helped you with the questions of how to transfer from a big frame to a small frame pattern, and I really hope that it was helpful and informative for you and you enjoyed this video. So I will see you on my next one. Bye! Cheers!